Hello, and welcome. Today, I will show you how to make a beautiful table vase decoration piece using simple waste materials that you might already have at home. This is an easy, budget-friendly DIY craft that looks amazing and also helps in recycling. For this project, we will need 1 disposable glass, ribbon lace, cardboard sheet, beads, a few bangles, hot glue gun, and glue sticks. Let's start. Step 1. Decorating the disposable glass. Take your disposable glass and wrap it with ribbon lace. Start at the bottom and move towards the top, securing the lace with hot glue as you go. Make sure the lace is wrapped neatly without gaps. This will give the glass a beautiful and elegant texture. You can choose a ribbon lace that matches your room decor or go for a bright color for a pop of style. Step 2. Preparing the cardboard base. Now, take a piece of cardboard and cut it into a perfect circle that is a little bigger than the base of your glass. This will be the main platform for your vase decoration piece. Use a marker and any round object to trace the shape before cutting for accuracy. Once the circle is ready, cover it with decorative paper or fabric if you want a polished finish. Step 3. Attaching the glass to the base. Place the decorated glass in the center of the cardboard circle. Use a hot glue gun to attach it firmly. Hold it in place for a few seconds to ensure it sticks well. This will be the central vase part of your decoration. Step 4. Making decorative circle boxes with bangles. Now take a few bangles and join them together to form circular box shapes. You can glue 2 or more bangles on top of each other to give them height. These bangle circles will act as beautiful side decorations around the vase. You can decorate these circles with beads, lace, or even paint them for extra beauty. Step 5. Attaching the bangle circles to the base. Once your bangle circles are ready, glue them around the glass on the cardboard base. Arrange them evenly to create a balanced design. These circular boxes will add elegance and a unique style to your decoration piece. Step 6. Adding the final touches. To finish the design, decorate the edges of the base and the bangle circles with beads. You can place beads along the top edge of the bangle circles, around the glass, or even along the cardboard circle's border. The beads will give a shiny and classy touch to your craft. Step 7. Display your vase. Let the glue dry completely. Now your handmade table vase decoration piece is ready to display. You can place artificial flowers in the glass, or use it as a centerpiece for your dining table, side table, or office desk. This craft is not just beautiful, it's also eco-friendly, as it reuses waste materials creatively. Give it a try and add a personal touch